car talk. It's going to be a hot one today, and I am working outside, dealing with a storage unit today. That's where my office is going to be, so you should all be very impressed with how glamorous my job can be. So today the tips that I want to give you are for those of you that are petite. So first let's talk about, what does petite mean? So petite refers to anyone that's like under 5'3". Doesn't have anything to do with your weight. It has everything to do with your height. So those women that are under 5'3", the average length of their arm is going to be shorter. So an average length of your arm between like your shoulder and your wrist is about 21.5 inches. A petite lady is going to have more like a 20 or 19-inch arm, and even the distance like here is going to be shorter. So how do you find clothes, or how do you dress or choose clothes to make you look taller? Being a wardrobe stylist and personal stylist for the better part of 30 years, I can't remember a time that I've ever had a client ask me to look shorter or heavier. So most clients, regardless of their height, want to look taller and leaner. So some of these tips will translate for everybody, even if you're not petite. First of all, be mindful of the contrast of outfits that you wear. So if you wear dark pants and a light top, that big contrast can create a horizontal break between your top and bottom that can make you look shorter. So black and white might not be the best idea for you if you are petite, or a bright, bold print top with a plain pant might not be the best idea. The flip side of that is,
on shoulder ahead.
Thank you, Waze. The flip side of that is wearing all one color, regardless really of the color, can make you look taller and leaner. The other tip that you might want to take into account is the cut of your pants. So a low-rise pant will make your legs look a little shorter, whereas a mid-rise or a high-rise can make your legs look longer and leaner. Also, if you are petite, skip like a walking short, because that will break your leg create a visual break in your leg in an awkward place. Same story with like a crop pant. So if you're petite, don't wear a crop pant. An ankle pant is fine, but no cropped pants. You know how I feel about cropped pants. So those are your fashion tips for petite ladies. As always, like, subscribe, do all the ticky-tacky things.